What's going on, everybody? Today is a fun day. We are at Boost Theory and we are going to be doing a hood exit on my Honda Civic. This shop does some crazy builds. We're not even in season yet. We've already got two Supras out here. We got this beautiful Skyline, another Supra out front, this S2000, which is absolutely gorgeous. The fitment is perfect. I love these. I kind of want one, but I wish they weren't like 50 grand for a clean one. Such a juicy setup in the front. I'm not the biggest fan of the kit on this car, but then again, where's my Supra? Now we're at the shop, one, because I trust these guys, they do good work, and two, I don't trust myself as much to line up the pipe. I also have to do some welding. I can't weld, and to cut through my carbon hood, the dimensions are gonna be very tight. I don't wanna mess that up. It's already paining me enough to think about cutting through the carbon hood, but it is what it is. We gotta have some fun with this car. I'm also gonna have them look at my tune and try to figure out my anti-lag or two-step. It's not really two-step. Apparently with the Honda, it's kind of just a rev limiter. You need the Haltech system to do like a full proper two-step. So we're gonna look into that, see if they can really make it a little bit more aggressive, because it's kind of tame right now, honestly. But yeah, I'm super excited. This is what the dump looks like right now. So it just goes straight down. So obviously I'm only doing the dump, the wastegate dump, meaning I'm still gonna have a full functional exhaust. It's just when I'm, doing normal driving and I'm not hitting full boost, the exhaust is gonna be, normal flow. When I hit full boost, it goes out the dump. I want to see some flames when I shift for the POV driving, and then it's going to be fun. I know it's not the most legal thing, but I don't drive this car too much, so hopefully we'll be okay.
Don't know what you want, I need to know. Don't pick up the phone when I try to call. Tell me what is wrong or what is right. What is right? Cause now it's too late, too late,
Well, everything is done. The hood dump is complete. As you can see, we got the silver plate going on. I might do it in black to kind of blend in with the front of the car more, because it kind of just stands out. It looks really funny from the front end. Now, unfortunately, I'm filming this a couple days after I've been driving the car. I did a few pulls. I was just wanting to see for myself before I started filming if I could actually get flames out the hood. That was a flame. That was actually a flame. That was the first time I've seen a flame out there. It's so worth it. Ah! Yo! That was a f***ing flame! I shifted too early still, I know. My phone just flew off. Now, what I'm about to show you, I didn't even know was possible. I got out of the car because I could hear a crazy exhaust leak. Look at this. This is my dump. Why is this loose? Oh, because it decided to snap off of my turbo manifold. It is fully cracked. I thought the clamp just came loose or a bolt flew out, but the entire manifold cracked. Like, look at this. Talk about an external wastegate. I was having so much fun with the car. It was actually starting to hook because now it's kind of warm, but it looks like we're gonna go ahead and have to take off the manifold, take off the turbo. I could technically get it re-welded, but I don't know how good this manifold even is, if it's got more weak points. I don't want stuff to fail on the road. I'm gonna take this as an opportunity to upgrade to a nicer, better manifold. But let's go ahead and get all this stuff removed. Just like that, everything is off the car. We got the turbo, the manifold, and the wastegate. Here's a better look at kind of like where it cracked. Or again, no idea how this even happened. I'm really at a loss for words, but I'll see you guys again when we have a proper replacement. Before we go any further, we got to say thanks to this video sponsor, and that is Botslab with their G980H Dashcam. If you couldn't tell, we're actually in my girlfriend's truck, which does not have a dashcam on it, so I want her to be driving safe out here and be covered if anything happens. There's too many ridiculous and crazy bad drivers, so we got to get one of these dash cams installed. Comes with a 64GB micro SD card, and as you can see here, the front camera is a 4K Ultra HD quality. Then we've also got a 2K resolution second camera, which you can set up for the rear of your car. You can put it inside to record the interior. Turns around 360 degrees.
Daniel installed it off camera because he actually needed my help and didn't want to caught in 4K, but
4K like the front camera quality resolution.
Ooh.
Okay, it's all set up. We're gonna test the voice prompts.
Turn off screen. Turn on screen. Take a photo. Wait, there's something he wants to say.
The dash cam has built-in GPS, got parking monitors on it. It's got a front car start reminder, so if you're sleeping at the wheel, don't do that. It'll tell you the car in front of you pulled away. We got lane departure warning, pedestrian warning, all kinds of sensors that the dash cam will pick up and alert.
Okay guys, now we're gonna test the pedestrian collision avoidance. Daniel, go outside.
What?
Go outside.
You can edit all your settings and view all the contents on the dash cam with the app. You just connect through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You can change anything you want here. Pretty straightforward, super easy to use. So go ahead and pick up your own Botslab Dashcam. They'll be linked down below. Keep yourself covered on the road. There's too many crazy drivers out there. Now let's get back to the video. Just like that, we've got our brand new PLM top mount manifold. I got it on such short notice thanks to my friends at Garage 16. Guys, once again, this is the best shop for any and all of your JDM parts. They really have everything out here. Every time I walk into the store, it's like a candy store for Honda owners. There's so many cool things I want to pick up and take. Use code DOUBT10 at checkout to save 10% off your entire order. I also decided to pick up this PTP turbo blanket because my Amazon one, after only a couple weeks, is not holding up too good. Okay, we've got everything buttoned back up. We got the nice new manifold looking clean, ready to go. I want to say I did everything right. Let's fire it up and see if we have any leaks.
Days later.
You might be able to notice that this car is actually sitting on a different set of wheels, and that's because the original ones that were on there have been sent out with Ghost Automotive to get powder coated. We're changing the look, changing the color of the rims. While I have those wheels off, I want to take this opportunity to show you guys how bad this car rubs the way it sits. Now, my other wheels don't sit as bad as this, but you can see my fender is literally sitting on the tire. I'm using my phone light to show you here the front. This is actually really bad. You can see, oh my God, so much of the wrap has been ripped off. We gotta fix that. And we're gonna do exactly that by rolling the fenders. Okay, someone please correct me if I'm wrong, but I have this set on the shortest, like lowest setting. Everything is as closely connected as I can possibly make it. The wheel is supposed to flip like this so that I can roll the fender. It doesn't even fit. What am I doing wrong here? I tried to look this up on Reddit to see if someone else had the same issue, and they did. And anyone who made a thread about this, they just got bullied by everybody else, calling them an absolute idiot because every fender rolling arm apparently should fit your wheel well. Mine doesn't, I don't know. Anyways, my wheels are already done being powder coated thanks to Ghost Automotive, and they look pretty freaking awesome. I don't typically stand behind black wheels or recommend getting black wheels, but I think with all the dark accents on this car, it'll look a lot better. I knew I wanted to change the wheel setup on this car, but I didn't really want to go and spend like another $2 grand on rims. So this is a much cheaper, simple solution with the same kind of outcome. This angle is making me feel some type of way. I love it. I actually can't stop looking at this. It looks so much better, but we're gonna go ahead and throw the rest of these on and get this thing looking nice and spicy. Okay, all the wheels are on now. I have to say it looks a bajillion times better, but it's really making me wonder what this thing would look like fully blacked out. If only I had some extra black vinyl. Fast forward a few weeks, I had to stop filming for this video. I didn't know this is what caused it, but if you can tell from these clips, the screamer pipe was lifting so much on the hood exit, pressing into the hood, that is the reason why it cracked off of the manifold. That's all sorted now. But I also realized from after doing all of those pulls that these brakes are just not it for this kind of power. So we got the Willwood set calipers and pads. I don't know why I didn't do this like right away, because it's a direct bolt-on fit onto that rotor with hopefully a lot more stopping power. And you know what else has gone on over the last couple weeks? Owen has been busy wrapping Victor's M3 in this like salmon pink. I don't even know what this color is. I don't know how I feel about it. It's different, so it's cool, but it's just a weird color. Max got brand new wheels for his M2 comp with these fat, juicy bead locks, because if you didn't know, he is going single turbo soon. This is Victor's E39, which has had a very slow and painful death here at the shop. Completely chopped up, spray painted the M colors all over it, and just left out here to sit in the rain. I'm pretty sure that car's up for sale right now, $1,000 OVO. Someone just come get it. We need it off the property. Pretty easily enough, the new Willwoods are installed. Brakes have been bled. Everything is good to go, except for the fact that the wheels don't clear the caliper. But I literally cannot put these wheels on and it's devastating me. I love this car, but goddamn, has it given me some issues. I know this is my fault, I guess, for upgrading the brakes, whatever. I think we're just gonna go and buy new wheels. Okay, so update on the brakes. They just did not fit with these wheels, so the wheel woods had to come off. I put the stock ones back on. I didn't find wheels that I liked in stock, but I did go ahead and order a new set of rims and tires. You're gonna see them in the next video.
They're BBS.
They're not BBSs. But it is nighttime, so we're gonna try and get some fire out of the hood.
How good are your brakes?
Yeah, I don't trust these brakes.
Is
there fire?
Yeah. It was really loud.
That was a decent little flame. Was that really good?
Oh, fire, good.
Ideally, the flames would come out of the hood exit on the launch control, but because it's launch control and not two-step, it's not building enough boost to shoot pressure out of there, which sucks. So I might have to upgrade my standalone to, maybe I might go to Fuel Tech or something, I don't know, so there's more customizability with it. Because you can only see flames through here while you're driving, and even on some of the pulls, it just doesn't spit. I don't know why. No, it feels so bad to just let the car sit on limiter because I'm so used to, like, I'm not a Honda person, so I feel like I'm just breaking everything, but I know these like it and they can take it. I gotta just stop thinking that I'm driving a BMW and it's gonna blow up.
Just stop being a bit.
Watch this sexy ass downshift.
Okay. That was really hot.
Perfect, I know.
That was good.
People hate on me because I have rev match on my M2, just because I'm lazy. I can still do it.
This is a real driver's car. The Honda Civic. LX.
Where's the flames? Where's the fire? Dude, it was still spinning in third at like 8,000 RPM and I shifted too early. Like, I don't understand this car. How am I still spinning at 140? Damn it. Okay, we pulled over because Gabby has been asking me to try to drive the Civic for a while. I keep saying,
You can't do it.
this car sucks to drive. As fun as it is, the clutch is really aggressive. So she can drive manual. How long have you been driving manual?
7 years.
7 years right here. I just want to say,
I don't think I can drive it.
no, but I think you'll be okay. Possibly, maybe not. I just want to also say no pressure at all. If you stall it,
okay, if I drive it, I'm not steering it. We're going straight.
yeah, because there's no power steering. But if you stall it, there's a chance that it won't turn on and then we're stuck here for the rest of the night.
Yeah.
You got it.
I've been really good about
You got it. Let's go. This is the C position we got going on here. I don't know if you can even reach the clutch properly, but no airbag. This is actually really good if you just bite the steering wheel out.
How to kill your girlfriend.
Yeah. Yeah, go just hit boost and have fun. More gas, 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 gas. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, her seat. The seat doesn't lock into place properly all the time, so it flew backwards. Yeah, look at I really gotta fix the seat. Oh.
I'm scared.
Okay, you got this. You did it. You did it. No, I know, but you got it moving. Go, go. You got it. You got it. More gas, gas, gas. Oh my god. Oh, second gear. We jumped to second. It's gonna be super jerky though. Honestly, I gotta apologize because you gotta move it twice. In traffic though.
Oh, I would never.
Yeah, I don't know if that might be a little bit scary. All right, well, you did it. I'm proud of you. Good job.
Get out.
Yeah, it's locked.
Good
job.
I don't want to do it again.
You liked it? You want to take it to work for a day?
No. It was fun, but yeah, not my type.
You need to hit boost in it.
I'm okay.
Okay.
I'm so scared that I would hit boost and like fly to the back seat.
We didn't get enough fire out the hood, so I'm gonna give you some more fire out the butt. You ready?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Be honest. Are you picking this B series or this B series?
Why the frick did?
Keys, Ross.